Hello everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the Nissan GT-R Nismo Lego set 76896, and it has 298 pieces from the Lego Speed Champion series. So let's take a look around the box. And the box art is pretty nice. So now that we've fully seen the box, let's get it out of the way. Let's open it. Now there's a little tab here that you're supposed to push. So there we go. Pull it out. Just like that. And now we have the contents in the box. So now I've fully emptied the contents of the box. So we have the instruction booklet for this Lego set. It looks pretty nice. That's the back right here. And here's the sticker pack. Obviously it has no back, but this is the sticker pack. This is bag number 1. This is bag number 2. And this is the chassis for the Lego set, which is pretty good. So I'm gonna get building. So first we open bag number 1. There we go. Let's empty the contents out. There we go. There's a couple more, but we'll get to those in a bit. So let's start with the first part, which is putting the minifig together. Okay, so we have the face right here. Pretty nice. Then we have the body. Oh, hold on a second. Here we are, with a nice click, fits on perfectly. Then we can attach the helmet. Then the feet should be in here somewhere. Here it is. Attach the feet. And here we have our Lego set minifigure. So I'll put that to the side, and let's get to building. See you in a bit. Hello again. Hope you enjoyed the time lapse. We're going to start with the second bag. Okay, here we go. Push all the stuff into one place. This is all of the stuff from the second bag. It's quite a lot. So let's get started with the second part to finish our car. Enjoy the time lapse. Alright everyone, this is the final product. I decided not to add some of the stickers because I want it, if you guys can get the set, it would be amazing for me to see your cars, and plus it made this process a whole lot easier. But if you want to see more of these kinds of LEGO videos, then hit that like and subscribe button and share with all your friends, because this was a lot of effort. You might have not been able to see in the time lapse, but this has taken me at least 40 minutes to make while recording. So please hit that like and subscribe button. That would be very helpful for me because I've put in a lot of effort into this video. So like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!